All right, now that we've got our products set up in the store, we've got the different types of products. If we go back to the home now, that new product's going to be showing here. So if you set up another one here, that would be showing as well. Just something to note, if you had 4 products, not 3, if I go to edit page and come to that product module here, you can change the columns here. So if we had, I'm pretty sure, if we had 4 products, we could just do that, or 5, etc. You get the point. Drop it back down to 3, but that's a good way. Like if you've got multiple rows, more products and stuff, that's a good way to show them. Don't need to hit save, but just wanted to mention that. So if you don't have 3 products, you want to show 6 or 2, 1, whatever it is. That's how you do it. So now we're just going to get onto a couple of housekeeping matters. So one thing you want to do is first just test the whole system and run through a payment, receive an email in your inbox, see what the customer gets, that type of thing. So and then there might be a couple of messages that you want to customize. So let's do that. So before I do anything, I'm just going to get rid of that. I'm going to come to this gift voucher product. I'm going to go edit product. So you'll do the same thing. And I'm just going to come down to the variations, and on this $20 one, I'm just going to change it to 0. Now if you wanted to actually test your PayPal and everything as well, you could just set that to say $1. And then when we go to view product and we add it to cart, checkout, there it is. We're checking out. It's $0, so we can just place the order. There's no PayPal button. But if you had that set on $1, this would still say pay via PayPal. So let's just go through the customer's experience. Let's go to somewhere Geelong 20. That's fine as it is there. That's interesting. So you can see that it's added shipping as soon as I've added this address. That's because we don't have shipping on free products set up in the back end. We'll do that before I go and proceed with the order. So let's jump back into the back end. WooCommerce. So now we want to go to settings, here under shipping, and we go shipping options, I believe it is. No. Let's see if it's in here. Add shipping method, free shipping. Free shipping is special. So this is triggered on with coupons and minimum spends. So if we just hit edit, free shipping requires a minimum order of 0. Let's just go that. So now if we go back to the front end of the site, so there we are. We've added the free shipping. If you click it, you'll see free shipping. Now we've got it set on 0. You obviously don't want it set on 0, or maybe you do. But you might set free shipping for all orders over $5, as we showed on that, as we had written on that homepage. So after you do this test order, just remember to go back in and change that free shipping option in the WooCommerce options to $5. So, or to whatever yours is. So I'm just going to place an order. But I'm going to change this email address to hello@thechartedcourse.com. So we receive, so this is your customer. So you're putting that in there as your customer. And I'm going to place the order. So let's see, this is what the customer sees on the front end. The order has been received. Yeah, that all looks good. So I'm going to come across into my emails. And there it is, Geelong Wine Retailer's shop. So this is what the customer sees. Cool. Now, if you wanted to edit any of this, you could do so via coming into here, WooCommerce, settings, emails there. And you can see here, this says recipient is the customer. So processing order, I'm pretty sure that's the one that we were just looking at. So here you go, you could change any of those things. So that's how you'd edit each of those emails that go out. So you could customize that to be a bit friendlier, more fun language if you really wanted to. In any case, that's how you do it. Let's jump back across to the emails. And I'm going to have to see, where did we have... okay. I don't actually have that email set up, so I can't show you the email that was generated. You'll have that one there is being pulled from there. So if you've set up the correct, which you will have in the very first case, if you've set up the correct email address there, they're automatically, when you're back here in the admin settings, that's automatically going to be that email address. So you would have got that test email, and you'll see exactly what it looks like. But if you wanted to change that, just like you did with the customer one, you would just hit manage on new order, and you could change that on in any way you wanted to. That, for example, is a little bit corny. That might be something more like you have a new order, and hit save. So there we go. We've just tested the WooCommerce order process. We know that it's working on the front end of the site. So before we go any further, we're just going to go back into shipping, and we're going to edit this free shipping rate. So you've got to place an order over $5 if you want to see free shipping. And next, we're going to have a quick look at these orders that are just placed, so you know where to find those orders.